Oh, God.
What up, dude?
What is up?
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
What's up, biscuits? Alright. Well, guys, I have made it up here. Some of you probably remember Adam. Last time you probably saw him was on the ice trip.
Yeah, probably.
You didn't have the biscuits then, did you? Oh, no, you did.
I had them, but we didn't bring them.
Yeah. So I'm up here at his new shop that you've been here for like 6 months or something?
July.
July
1st, I moved in here.
And we're gonna be hanging out for a few nights at his other spot. Travis is gonna be coming up here. Let's head inside. Let me pet
Oh, didn't he be nice?
So, I don't think I showed Adam's shop on the last time I was up here. I don't think I showed anything, but
No.
Adam does. What's the name? Why don't you tell us?
Basically, I do custom motorcycle seats, cars, all kinds of upholstery work, furniture, rebuild, stuff from scratch, original restorations, do lots of leather work, knife sheaths, gun holsters, belts, you name it, pretty much do it all. I'll show you some work over here. So I'm working on some 63 Chevy Impala seats right now. Taking them down to bare metal. Gonna be restoring them back to original. And then, hey, stop. There's some seats I finished up. These are going in a Volkswagen Bug.
Oh, that'll be cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the print.
Odin, hey.
It's okay, puppy. We're gonna be friends. We're gonna be good friends.
Okay. Okay.
Don't bite me.
Odin. He's a dick.
Is that real alligator on the wall?
So yeah, I got those a couple years ago. A guy wanted me to make some seats out of it, and then never heard from him ever again.
Really?
So I get stuff like that all the time. I mean, I got a shelf full of shit on my people who die on their motorcycles. You know, I start working on their seats, and they have other bikes. So it's unfortunate, but I hold on to it for memorabilia. It's hard for me to sell stuff, you know. It's
Oh yeah.
you know like
The Death Science seat, man, I remember seeing those guys like all over in the magazines a few years ago.
yeah. So I built this seat for them back 13 years ago. I think it was 2009, 2010.
It sounds about right.
Yeah, when the magazine was out.
Yep.
And the first like 5 or 6 issues, 90% of the motorcycle seats in there were mine.
No shit.
Yeah, so it was pretty sweet.
Huh.
That was one of them. That was one of them. This is actually the first motorcycle seat I ever did.
So I knew who Adam was before I knew who Adam was, I guess.
Yeah, that's how it goes too. So I did this custom stitching.
Okay.
So crazy underwater scene. It's kind of hard to see now, but it's like coral reef and there's waves, lots of bubbles, and then like just kind of like geometric patterns on here.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
Maybe one of these days we'll con him into doing some work on the van. Oh, you guys can't see me. But we're gonna hang out for a little bit, and I guess I'll probably get back to you guys once Travis gets here.
Yeah, he should be here in about an hour.
Yeah. Stay tuned, y'all.
We should steal all this firewood.
Well, Travis is here, y'all. We've been hanging out in the shop.
Hey, I should shut my.
I locked my stuff. The dog needs to be taken for a walk, so we're gonna wander down by the lake.
Hey, so real quick. His dog's name is Biscuits.
We call him Biscuits.
It's not Odin.
It's not Odin.
When it was a puppy, you know, like the squishy face.
Biscuits.
Come on, Biscuits. Well, y'all, we're here in Washburn, Wisconsin, home of Adam Ne and Biscuits Gravy. We got a third moon tonight.
Walking down to the lake. We're heading down to the west end. And
Can you guys see his ducks?
up north, shit right here, he's got some rocks all set up.
Here.
Small duck to big duck.
His ducks are in a row.
Trivia question for y'all. What is Holmes?
Holmes as in H-O-L-M?
Holmes. Because he didn't realize where we were. Holmes. It's, what do they call that thing where it's,
Home is where you make it.
no, where it's initials.
Oh, an acronym?
Yep.
I have no idea what he's talking about. To be
Holmes.
honest.
You learned where we are. Holmes.
This is Washburn, not Holmes.
The lakes. Remember, Holmes.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
I know what he's talking about now.
we're,
Yeah.
We're on the same page.
Yeah.
Sometimes you gotta fill in the story with this guy.
A little bit.
No.
It's a pretty rad spot. I've been up here before.
The big fish is down there.
Yeah, I'll link another video.
Arm set, dude?
My video just came out. The last video just came out.
sprouts. You know what I'm talking about. Looks like a little cocoon on a stick.
No, I don't.
Millweed. Isn't that what it is?
Well, millweed is up here, but
Mushrooms.
Ray, you can eat those.
fiddles?
No.
Mushrooms all over. There's another one.
I'm sorry, dude.
Right now is a really good time. It just rained the other day, so there's mushrooms everywhere.
Oh, they're all popping up now. I did not get that on video.
Could not.
Would have been f***ing epic.
It would have been
Make
great.
that shit
We
pop.
feel bad, but there's a dude over here loading his boat.
You gotta get a picture of the bikes. Don't look funny. Like it's like, oh, how was the riding out there?
And
Big island that I showed you on the map.
oh, you can ride out there.
The island is fucking huge, dude.
Well, you'd hope so. Otherwise, they.
So dude was loading his boat up, and he's got bicycles on the back of his boat because there's an island out here that you can go out to and ride on with a bunch of hippies and whatnot.
Yeah.
And Travis said, just hollered at him, how's the riding out on the water or something like that.
Dude fell twice too.
Dude just fell in the water.
The second one, it's like he ain't getting up.
No, his leg was
And he
stuck
looks
in the
like
trailer.
what's dude from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory?
Really
The
want
grandpa?
Grandpa.
Grandpa, they won the.
The freeloader. Grandpa Chuck.
It was funny, but we do feel bad. Dude just looked up and fell over in the water.
Dude's soaking wet. And he had
We'll,
his phone in
we'll
his
get
pocket.
someone to reenact
Oh.
it later, but you could not make that shit up. But look, dude, they have bikes on.
Yeah.
Like if you're on the freeway and you see someone with bikes, you assume they're going mountain biking.
So we're in the bay of Lake Superior.
This
Yeah,
is,
that's
Schwamigan Bay on Lake Superior. We are in Washburn, Wisconsin. Ashland is over there. And Bayfield is straight north of us. That is Washburn Marina right there.
Right there. Can't zoom in far enough, but
What you got, bud? Get it.
Oh, there's a big bear.
Well, he's got a hole. He's digging. Come on, Odie. Come on.
Let's go, Biscuit.
You didn't get it. You'll know, because you'll hear a little squeak.
I really need to adjust my headlights. My passenger side headlight is like pointed way up. But we're on the way to Adam's spot, his camp spot, for the evening. See how this goes. All right, y'all, it's the next day. We got to camp last night and it was dark, so we just hung out and had a fire. But here we are. Adam's got a wall tent set up. And we're just out here chilling. I'm sleeping in the van and Travis is on a cot in there. But it's been a rainy day and it's kind of chilly. It's raining right now and I think it's going to rain all day tomorrow, so that's kind of a bummer, but he's getting his wood stove going in there. Travis has ran off into the woods in an attempt to get a squirrel. So we'll see if that works
So
out
we
for
can
him.
proclaim the squirrel rut.
Yeah, we call this squirrel rut, and
You have to get a squirrel.
no squirrels have been harvested out of the rut, but we kind of hung out all day today. We went and had lunch at one of the local bars, and we've just been kicking it because it's been kind of dreary, and I guess we'll see what happens the rest of the evening. But yeah, chilling by the fire, enjoying ourselves.
Yes, sir.
The squirrel hunt.
Squirrel hunt didn't go so well day one. That's why it's called hunt, not shooting.
Yeah. And if you can't tell, it's pouring out there. Adam's throwing a little bit more wood on the fire. Yeah. We're chilling, eating sardines and fish out of the can.
Oh. I'll tell you what, folks, I never had a sardine that I didn't like.
Alright, y'all, we've made it in the van. I think you guys could probably hear it's still raining out there. We just hung out by the fire for a while and then hung out in the tent for a while. And it's just time to go to bed. It's getting late. Kind of a bummer is we had some plans for tomorrow that's probably not going to work out because there's a high likelihood that it's going to rain all day tomorrow. So I really have no idea where this video is going at this point. But we're having a good time, and that's all that really matters. It's been good being up here and hanging out, but I just need to get crashed out. Well, good morning. It's still raining out there. I'm sure you guys can probably hear it. Can't see it though. I'm pretty sure I just heard Travis out there. Oh man. Alright y'all, I got changed, been hanging out for a little while. Went over there, Travis was up just to go to the bathroom, but those guys went back to bed. Oh. Might as well make myself some coffee at least. Didn't have any yesterday. Got some of this. And we'll do our little French press. Haven't done that in a while. Guess I do have breakfast. What is this one? I might end up making this too. Be a little breakfast, I guess. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see how I feel after a cup of tea. Oh. Hoping the rain's gonna let up this afternoon, but we may not get that lucky. Probably should have not had cold water, but I guess it doesn't matter. Easiest way to get the perfect amount of water. I think 2 scoops of this is probably enough. That was a big scoop. Yeah, that's plenty. Oh man. Starting to boil. You see the orange? That's good. That is good. I like to just set this in here so I don't lose it. Give it a couple of minutes. We've got coffee. So I got this window opened back up and the rain's kind of coming this way, so I am getting some water in here. I don't have it pushed all the way open. So depending on the angle of the dangle of your rain, you can leave them open, but they do get a little damp. So I've just been wiping it off so the velour on my side panels doesn't get all wet. At least I have a little bit of airflow in here. I think once I get let me turn this back the other direction. I think once I get the handle on my foot vent, I guess for those of you that aren't aware, there's in the driver's side, right down by your feet, by your left foot, there's a little knob and there's a vent down there that you can open up. But my knob is broken. I can reach down there and push on the vent, but I need to probably vacuum it out. But if you could open the vent and have a screen on there, and if you had a roof vent, you could pull air through, and then it wouldn't matter if it was raining. I mean, it wouldn't really matter at any time because you could use that and not have to have windows open. But still don't know if I'm going to put a vent on the roof of this thing or not. Alright, it's probably been long enough. This thing's great. The only downside is cleanup when you're done. You need a bit of water to like clean off the filter, the screen on the bottom of this thing. and then get all the coffee grounds out of the bottom. There we go, fresh cup of joe. Bam. Now I think I should make that. Should I make that breakfast? I'm kind of hungry now. Let me just go ahead and do it. I think I got enough water in there. Freeze-dried spicy Southwest breakfast hash, potatoes, shredded beef, green chilies, black beans, and corn. I can't say I've ever had this one before. I don't know. Now we're boiling. Just take this off. Try not to pour these over yourself. If you have a mistake, you're gonna burn yourself. But and you got to seal her up and let her sit for a few minutes. Wait 5 minutes, stir it again, wait another 4 minutes. Alright, it's been a few minutes. Let's see what this is all about. Not too bad. Still a little bit warm, I tell you. Smells pretty good. You guys can see it there. Gotta give it a second to cool off, I guess. Oh man, dreary day. Seems weird to me that this has corn in it, but it's not too bad. Not getting much spice out of that first bite, but not a bad breakfast at all. All things considered. All right, y'all. So, squirrel rut.
Not a success.
No, we hunted some squirrels. We put in some time yesterday and some time today, or I should say, these guys did. Even though it wasn't a success, and today has been kind of dreary, we have decided to all go down here to the tattoo. Go down here to the tattoo shop, and we're all gonna get matching squirrel rut tattoos. So we'll see how this goes.
I'll go back and get my phone.
What's up, fellas?
Can I use your restroom?
No.
Pass out, it's alright.
I think I'm next.
No, I go second, you're last.
I'm last, I guess.
That's not true, you're the last thing.
Didn't say beetle, no. Well, these two guys have gotten tattooed already, and it's my turn. You want to give them the 10-second who you are, what you do?
Oh, my name's Keith P. I do tattoos here at Elevated Vision Tattoo. Just met these guys today and we're getting after it.
Squirrel Rut 2023, let's do this.
Here we go. go watch this. Come check this one out. We're gonna get these
Poke 'em real
tiny
hard.
little lions here.
Put eyes in the. Dude, put eyes
A
in
little smiley face in the
Seriously, do it, Mike. You cool with that?
I don't give a shit.
Dude, put little eyes in there like a fucking little toadstool. Come on, do it. Do it.
Nah, looks so
Dude,
good.
then I'll
That's
do it.
like-
I'll do it. Do it. Put little eyes in there. Come on, we're all here for one thing.
A little smiley in there.
Yes. Stretch
You
it.
ready for it? Yeah.
Dude.
I'm with it.
Oh God.
That's your nut.
Dude.
That's your
No, that is amazing. No, I do have one nut. I'm the punchline of everything.
Now you can
Dude, that was a toadstool. I'm jealous I don't have that. Yours is dope. Look at that little face.
Should we hit it with the alcohol now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And then do one of those. Look at dude. He is so happy in there.
Just ruined the
He
video.
No, he is the happiest little nut.
All right, y'all. We have made it back to the van. Oh, it has been a long, long day. Do have some I think it's a second skin on there, but you guys probably can't see it. We all got matching tattoos. Squirrel Rut 2023. It's like the lighting's terrible in here, but it's like the squirrel off of Ice Age, and on the bottom of it says SR23 for Squirrel Rut 2023. And to be honest with you, it's 5:10 in the morning. We've been bullshitting and hanging out, and I need to get to bed, and I need to get to bed because the goal is to have this video out tomorrow. I don't know if that's gonna happen or not, but it's been a hell of a night. We got tattooed. We went to one of the local bars, watched one of the bands play, and we've screwed off for a while. We went back to Adam's shop for a while, and then we came back here, and it is definitely time for bed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shut the camera off and get changed or whatever. It's 5 o'clock. Sun's gonna be up in like 2 hours, so I definitely need to crash out, and I'll see you guys in the morning.
Hey y'all, before I forget to say goodbye, like, subscribe below.
Well, he did it for me, yeah. It's been a hell of a weekend.
Yeah, it's a rough one.
Thanks to Adam for having us up here. It's been rainy, and I had planned to camp a few more nights on the way home, but I think since like half my clothes are wet laid in my van floor, like I think I'm just gonna jam home today, but we'll see how that goes. More than likely I'm gonna go home, but yeah, it's been a great trip. Squirrel Rut. I don't know if let me see yours. I showed mine off a little bit last night, but so we all got the old Squirrel Rut tattoo, and we didn't catch any squirrels, but
No.
but we did all
You say
right.
we didn't catch any?
We didn't catch any.
Yeah, we didn't catch any.
Yeah.
Quite squirrely.
Yeah. I'll drop Adam's social medias down below. Travis is a goof, so I won't do that. But yeah. Stay tuned for the next adventure, guys. I'll see you in a bit.
Yeah.